Science forever.
Hey guys, it's Melvin Beaker with Science Forever. We're going to be talking about weathering and how weathering forms soil. Oh my goodness, that's exciting. You stay in your seats. I know you're ready to dance. You're so excited, but we gotta get going, okay? But before we do, I'm gonna introduce a friend of mine. His name is Bruce Thompson, and he's gonna help us on the show.
That's right, Beaker. My name is Bruce Thompson. I'm in peak physical condition.
Now, weathering means breaking down or breaking apart, breakdown.
Oh, talk about breakdown. I'll break down some of these. I got the strength of a mama bear. Samsonite.
Not that breakdown, and not even this. Like, whoa, look at breakdown. Not even that. Okay, it's breaking down by two types: mechanical or physical, and chemical. Ooh, chemical. I know you're excited about chemical. Well, in mechanical, it's a physical kind, so there has to be some physical contact. Whoa, hey, let's get in a fight. No, I'm kidding. Oh my goodness. Don't laugh too hard, you hurt your side. Well, no, the first kind is ice wedging. Now, that means water goes in the cracks, right? If this is a rock, and there might be a crack right here, the water can go right in there, and it freezes, it expands. And as it expands, it can break the rock. Weathering! Oh my goodness, it's amazing! Well, the second kind is the pressure release. Pressure release is the earth inside has very much pressure, right? It pushes up all the rocks. And as they do that, it can break apart rocks. Weathering! Or sometimes it could just break off the top layer, kind of like peeling off the skin of a potato. And this process is called exfoliation.
Exfoliation? I exfoliate my skin 3 times a day. That's why I have the complexion of a newborn baby.
Well, I'm glad you got healthy skin there, Bruce. And the third kind is plant root growth, right? Every plant, they get their little roots in. And as they get the roots in, they can grow. And as they grow, they get bigger. Sort of like the ice, it expands, it gets bigger, and it breaks rocks down. Weathering. And the last kind is abrasion. Now, abrasion simply means wearing down or weathering by friction. Friction, right? It's rubbing against it. It's causing some friction.
You're about to see some abrasion over here. Here it is, abrasion right in there. Super fast running. I got the speed of a jaguar.
Oh my goodness! And water happens to be the most, he's the culprit of this whole thing. Water. Get out of here, water. We don't want any friction or weathering from you. Oh, me. I know, I make you laugh so hard that your side hurts. But I'm a jokester, what can I say? Well, the second kind is chemical weathering. Now, chemical weathering is when a breakdown, a chemical reaction takes place and changes the rock. It sounds complicated, and I know when it gets complicated, you get super excited. But settle down. Well, water is the main cause of chemical weathering. Again, water, you're crazy, get out of here. You're making all kinds of changes in the world. Anywho, now some minerals dissolve completely in water. Now that changes them, right? Weathering. Oh my goodness. Now another cat, right? A lot of minerals have iron in them. Now when iron mixes with water, and that mixes with air, it produces something that we call rust. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. And it changes color, and that's a form of weathering. Who would have guessed it? Weathering, oh my goodness. Oh, and hey, you know what? All of that weathering, right, it forms soil. Now, soil has 4 things in it. 1, water, 2, air, 3, dissolved and weathered rocks, and then 4, organic material. Oh my goodness. Now, organic material, kids, it simply means living. So it could be a plant leaf that falls down, but it could also be animal waste or feces.
Soil's got what in it?
Bruce, you killed me. You're crazy. Now, different climates, right? Different weather, right? Hot and dry, or maybe hot and humid. They change the weather types. Not the weather types, you silly magoose. The soil types, right? It changes it. Also, plant and animal activity changes it. These are roots of the plants. They can go down in the soil. And as they go down in the soil, they kind of mix it up or loosen it up. And same thing with those animals. They can dig down, right? Burrow their way down there. They're crazy. They're crazy. Watch out for them. And then they mix it up, and that's good for the soil.
Just like I loosen my muscles up before some deep squats. Loose muscles equals healthy muscles.
Yeah, sort of like that, Bruce. Now, we need soil. Soil is essential, right? We grow all of our food, most of the healthiest food in the world, from soil. We need it.
Soil is important. Without soil, I don't have the high quality ingredients I need to feed my body. I need high quality protein and carbs to maintain optimal nutrition.
Yeah, Bruce, that's true, that's true. Also, farming, we lose a lot of soil to farming. Oh my goodness, farmers, why can't you keep a little bit more soil? I'm kidding, they need it. Also, overgrazing, right? With those animals, they have those big bellies and they want to eat a lot. It makes we lose some soil there. But then, we mess it up too because we make construction. We gotta dig up all the soil with our big, Tonka trucks, and we lose soil that way. Oh my goodness, that is all of our time here at Science Forever. Until next time, stay science.